Hi guys, it's been so long I didn't post anything. So today I'll be talking about niacinamide, why, when and how to use it. So I have the one by Ordinary, the 10% with zinc 1% and the powder by Ordinary. I also have the one by Minimalist, but it's in the other room. So I have like 3 to 4 products of niacinamide and keep on using it and switching it according to my own preference. First, let's talk about the benefits and why to use it. So the first benefit is hydration. We all want hydration in our skincare routine. It is a great option to get the hydration, and it also reduces the transepidermal water loss. This is one product that changed my skincare completely, like my skin was transformed. But I wouldn't lie, not only niacinamide helped me in recovering from my acne. There were a lot of other products that are combined with this, but yeah, this played a very major role in it. So it is very good for pores reduction. It is also good for reducing sebum production, which leads to acne, and it is great if you have acne prone skin. This also helps with acne scarring, so a great option if you have acne or oily prone skin. This would also help you in repairing your damaged skin barrier. If that is something you're looking for, niacinamide is a great option. Also, we all know as we age, our collagen production reduces. So niacinamide also stimulates the collagen production. About the product recommendation, I'll come to how and when to use it and do the do's and don'ts about it. But you can get it on Nykaa from the Minimalist. It's easily available. I would suggest sourcing niacinamide from Ordinary in India is a bit tough, and it's not easily available. So the most readily available product, I believe, is Minimalist, and I've used it and it works great. The quality is amazing. Now that we have spoken about the benefits, and I believe it's an amazing product and it caters to a lot of skin problems. Now I'll move on towards the do's and don'ts, and then I'll go into how to introduce this product in your skincare routine. Now let's talk about do's. You can use it in the day and in the night time, and I get a lot of questions. People ask me, can I use it in the daytime? Can I use it in the night time? You can use it anytime, like in the day and night, whatever suits you. Depends on your skincare routine and how you layer it on your skin. Of course, the do is that you will wash your hands, you will clean your face. Basic hygiene options that you have to inculcate while doing your skincare. Otherwise, it's a complete waste. I mix it with a vitamin C, but again, some skin type will be okay with the mixing, some will feel the irritation. So the moment you mix the two products and you feel irritation, try and using only one product at the daytime and the other at nighttime, like use vitamin C in the day and niacinamide at night. Separate these two and see how your skin is behaving. Listen to your skin, the most important thing. What works for me might not work for you. You can use it on your body, like I had acne on my arms, on my chest and on my back. So this can be applied all over, like wherever you have acne. Do not only limit it to your face. If it's on other areas, please continue and apply it there. First, do not overdo it. So if you're using niacinamide in the daytime, do not use it in the night. So only use it once a day. Using it twice a day is not recommended. It's not required. You're just overusing a product, and more doesn't necessarily mean good. Don't is do not touch the dropper on your skin. It's very unhygienic. I know, even I've done it for videos. It's only done to make it look good and attractive. It's not a hygienic option. So please stop it. Don't. If your skin is sensitive, and it is recommended that you should not mix it with other actives, like if you're using a retinol, a glycolic acid or any other exfoliant. So do not mix it with that. Keep your simple routine and do not apply it like every day. Applying niacinamide for 8 weeks or few months, and then probably if your skin is getting better, you can try another product. So of course you have to be patient with your routine, but see how your skin is behaving and listen to your skin. What works for others, again, might not work for you. Not alone rely on niacinamide for your entire acne treatment. It depends. I mean, of course, it is one of the solution and it's great, but the thinking that only this is going to treat the acne is not the case. Also, how to use it. So niacinamide comes in between your cleanse and your moisturize. So how I use it in the daytime, I cleanse my face, I apply my toner, then I top it up with vitamin C, then niacinamide, then moisturizer, and then SPF. So that's how I layer it in the morning. If I'm using it at the night, then I cleanse my face, I apply my toner, then I apply my azelaic acid, and then I top it up with niacinamide, and then my moisturizer. And if you are applying in oil, you can do that. So with me, azelaic acid, I can use it, my skin can take it, so I use it. Otherwise, just apply your toner, your niacinamide, your moisturizer and oil if you apply so, and go off to sleep. One last thing, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just someone who's passionate about skincare. So please consult a doctor if you have a severe issue. Hope this video helped you, and I'll be sharing more fun and informative content soon.